Good morning, everyone. It's me, Tommy Tutu, and this is just another Saturday. This Saturday, we are hiking to the Whitney Canyon Waterfall Trail in Newhall, California. Well, good morning, everyone. Today we are hiking the Whitney Canyon Trail to the waterfall in Newhall, California. The trail is approximately 3 miles long. All Trails rating has it rated as a moderate difficulty, and parking was free. And so now, I already see a wild animal. Now we're gonna let the journey begin. Okay, so these are the power lines that a lot of people online are complaining about. I mean, yeah, you can hear them overhead. It makes little crackling noises, but it's really no big deal at all. So, I know people like to complain, but yeah, so I'm crossing over. Can you hear it? If you can hear it, let me know. But yeah, that's a lot of people online will complain about these power lines. I don't think it's a big deal at all. So anyways, just wanted to point that out. Let's continue our journey. Choice here, left or right. Right looks pretty steep, left is flat. According to the map, to get to the waterfalls, it says you have to go to the trail on the left. However, I just gotta see what's over here to the right. I'm sorry, I gotta check it out. So this is well, it's my first time here, so here's a little side trail. I just want to see what's over here. So let's check it out. Oh look, we got poison oak here. Watch out. Alright, so far I'm about 1/3 of the way there. That was fast. It's so beautiful. Look at this tree right here and the way the sun just hits it. I geek out over things like that. So far it smells beautiful. I do not understand the negative comments online. And it's been easy so far. They said it was all uphill, but the incline is so small, I haven't even noticed it. So far, it's easy. So far, I'm loving it. One thing I would like to point out is I've only done like 1/3 of a mile so far. I'm barely starting. But the first section, the sun is in your eyes the whole time. Like I said, it's about 7:30 a.m. right now. And yeah, that's the only complaint I have is the sun is straight in your eyes. So makes it a little harder to be aware of my surroundings, but that's okay. I'm in a shaded area now, and so that's why I started recording again. cool. So cool. Oh, here we go. Try creek. Oh, there's a side trail here too. I wonder if it's just to get around the creek. It's not very high right now, so no worries. Uh-oh. Got another split here. Huh. I think it might lead to the same place, but I'll check it out on the map. I'll get back to you. It's pretty cool. Tripped. Ooh. There you go. It's slippery. All right, looks like we made it to the waterfalls. The first level of them, after all. All right. Here's the first waterfall. Miniature one. Let's cross here. Not like a stream, no waterfall. Very slippery. Okay. Here's the next waterfall. Just want to be careful, it's kind of slippery here. So, supposedly you can climb those rocks and get to more waterfalls. Oh, there's a way around. Okay. Oh, there's some ropes right there. Oh, that's what people talk about. People talk about the ropes to climb across. I'm gonna figure out which way is best for me, and then we'll continue along. So, yeah. Catch you in a minute. Alright, you guys, should I or shouldn't I? That is the question. You guys, I just used the ropes to climb over to the side. I know it's a little crazy, but I'm confident in my skills. So. All right, let's continue. In fact, let's just keep it rolling. So, can't really see it. Yeah, so to climb up to this part of the waterfall, you gotta use the ropes to climb up here, which is a little scary, but it was worth it. Oh wow. Okay, so I took the ropes, and it takes you to Another waterfall. Super cool. We're gonna keep on going. There's people, oh my God, okay, there's people here. Oh God, I'm so glad I took this route. I wasn't gonna do it, I was gonna go home. I'm so glad I took this route. Let's see what else is here. All right, you guys, so I'm leaving the lower waterfalls right now, and it looks like you turn around here and go to the right. Looks like there's another way around other than using those ropes to climb up. So you guys see if you hang right here, looks like there's another path. Yeah, see it's going up. So I just saw other people going this way. Oh, it's a little steep, but that's okay. Actually, it's pretty. I want to get some views. So, all right, we're gonna continue on. This one's really steep. Ooh, wow, look at that. That's wow, that's steep. Okay. I'll get you. I'll get a view from the top. I gotta turn the camera off. This is way too steep, so it's not safe to be doing this part while filming, so I'll catch you in a minute. Another rock shaped like a heart. Aww. All right, you guys, so just an update. There is a rope here. This portion is extremely steep. I did use the rope here to help pull me up. Or actually, I didn't put my weight on it, but I held on to it just in case I fell. So be careful. This last portion is extremely steep. Probably the steepest portion I've ever done. So yeah, so they're just, I held on to it, but I didn't put my weight on it. I just held on to it in case I fell to catch me. So, all right, you guys, so I am way up high right now, beyond the first waterfalls. I just made that climb using the rope. And I'm continuing. This area is it's fun. Oh gosh. Yeah, I mean, I gotta be extra safe now. Oh, there's some wild cucumber. This is the perfect spot for an ambush. Oh dear. More very steep uphill. I'm gonna check the map. I might have to call it quits right here because this is not safe. And as beautiful as this is, it's not worth getting injured and ending my hiking career. So it looks like I'm gonna have to stop right here. All right, everyone, I lied. I said I was gonna stop right there, but I continued onward anyway, even though I said it was too dangerous. But look at these views, can you blame me? This is amazing. So, sorry about that. It was a little dangerous. There were more ropes to climb on, but I went ahead and did it anyway, so. It's a mushroom shaped like a flower. Aww. Alright, so you guys, I am on my way home right now. I decided to go back the way I came because I want to see the waterfalls again. As you can see, there's a rope to help assist you in your climb down. It is very, very steep, dangerously steep. I don't recommend doing this. So what I'm gonna do before I climb down is I'm gonna take my trekking pole and I'm just gonna tighten it so it doesn't slip on me. And then I am sitting down, you can't really see, but I'm sitting on my rear. I'm gonna use my trekking pole to help me. I'm gonna have at least 3 points of contact at all time, and I'm gonna be sitting as I climb down. So yeah, when doing very steep locations like this, always have 3 points of contact. What does that mean? If you don't know what 3 points of contact means, it means you have 2 hands and a foot, or 2 feet, one hand touching the ground at all times. So you don't walk on 2 feet. Yeah, so we're gonna climb down now, and I'll catch up with you on the other side. All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. This is where we stop. Hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Thank you, and God bless you.